Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your prepaid card to your Cash App. First of all you have to do is open your Cash App on your phone. Then all you have to do is click on your profile icon on the top right corner. A new page will open. All you have to do is scroll down just a bit until you see linked banks. Click on linked banks. On this page you'll be able to see three different options: link debit card, link bank, and link credit card. All you have to do is click on link debit card. Then all you have to do is type in your debit card number. For example, you can hold your debit card and see the number on your debit card, and you have to type that debit card number on this screen. Once you've entered your card number, click on next on the bottom right corner. Then what you have to do is enter the expiration month and year of your debit card, and also enter the CVV number or the security number on the back of your debit card. And then all you have to do is click on add card, which is on the bottom. Now you have successfully added your debit card or your prepaid card with Cash App. Now to add your money, and you want to extract that money from your prepaid card to your Cash App, what you have to do is go back to the main page of Cash App. On this page you will be able to see your Cash App balance, and if you want to extract some money from your debit card, all you have to do is click on add cash, and then a pop-up window will appear where you'll be able to see $10, $25, $50, $100, and $200. If you want to enter the amount manually, then what you have to do is click on the three dotted button, and then all you have to do is enter the amount that you want to add into your Cash App, and then click on add on the bottom, enter your Cash App PIN code. You have successfully added money from your prepaid card to your Cash App. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.